I'm going to forest with a kindergarten. I'm going to read a story of the red hen. The red hen, friendly cow, the farmer, fat pig, pink sheep, thin goat, and little chicks. Listen carefully. The red hen once lived on a farm. She had 6 little chicks. Every day she looked here and there for food for her little chicks to eat. One day the red hen watched the farmer. He was putting seeds into the ground. "All grow," he said. In the morning, the red hen went out to find some seeds. "I will make my garden," she said. The seeds grew and grew. Soon the red hen garden was full of many things. "Who will help me work in the garden?" the red hen said to her friends. "Not me," said the fat pig. "Not me," said the pink sheep. "Not me," said the thin goat. "Then I will do it myself," said the red hen, and she did. Then the red hen went to see the friendly cow. "Will you give me some milk?" she said. "I will," said the friendly cow. The red hen made cheese from the milk. Now the red hen had everything she needed. "Who will help me make pizza?" she said to her friends. "Not me," said the fat pig. "Not me," said the pink sheep. "Not me," said the thin goat. "Then I will do it myself," said the red hen, and she did. The other animals smelled the pizza. "Yum, it smells good," the red hen said. "Now who will help me eat the pizza?" "I will," said the fat pig. "I will," said the pink sheep. "I will," said the thin goat. The red hen said, "You will not help me work in the garden. You will not help me make the pizza. Now you cannot help me eat the pizza." So the red hen and her little chick sat down to eat pizza with the friendly cow. The end. Goodbye.